In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your RCS device. So first of all, you need to log into the dashboard and make sure that you are using Firefox browser. And then you need to go to the devices from the side menu. And then in RCS devices, you need to click on add device button. Please read carefully. I need to open Google Messages on my phone. As you can see, it's open now. So now I will click on this profile icon and I will go to device pairing. So as you can see that pairing is off. So I need to pair this phone again. In order to pair the devices, we have two options. One is pair with QR code and sign in with Google account. So in few devices, we have this option and we can pair it with QR code. But in our device, we can use this option only. So we are using this one and I'll click on that. So first of all, we need to download the extension from this link, and I have already downloaded it and I have also extracted it. So then we need to, so in private window, we need to open this specific URL. As I have already opened it. So I will click on this load temporary add-on and we'll go to the extracted folder and we'll import this manifest.json. As you can see that its import is successful. So we need to follow the next step. As you can see that extension also appears there. So this step is confirmed and we need to read this important message as well, which says Firefox temporary add-ons removed when you close the browser. You will need to reload it when each time Firefox starts. So we need to take care of that. And now we are going to open another private window and we'll visit this add-on. In this, we need to manage it and then we need to select allow for private window and for site with restrictions. So as you can see that step number 8 is completed. So we need to hard refresh this page and we need to click again on add device, sign in with Google, and we need to visit this URL now. So we need to sign in with the Google Messages. You can see that our Google account is logged in successfully. So we need to go to the myCRMSIM dashboard and we need to select the login method as it's already selected, and we need to click on this continue with RCS. So it will try to connect with Google Messages. So we need to select this emoji. It will appear on our phone as well. So I need to click this emoji on my phone. As you can see that our device is paired successfully. So I need to check that whether it's appearing here or not. So I will refresh it. As you can see that our device is appearing successfully.